This is Skullcandy's Crusher EVO. Yeah, they've been out for a while now. In my opinion, these are, hands down, as at least in my taste in music and audio, these are hands down the best headphones, over-the-ear headphones ever made. I'll show you why, and let me just pull them out. Yes, I pulled them out already to just test them with myself again, and these have features and things that will convince some of you that there's some witchcraft going on, but it's not. It's just high technology. Let me put this on the side, and before we go anywhere else, they come with a really nice soft bag that you can put them in. It has that Skullcandy skull here, it has Skullcandy and some numbers here on the side, and this is really a beautiful small touch. Okay, now the star of the show. Yes, they come with a USB-C charging cable. I have it somewhere, but you get the point what that is. These are the over-the-ear headphones that we're talking about. We're talking about over 300 grams in weight. Really nice, soft top right here. I love that. And metal siding when you open and close, really easy. And this is like some kind of suede, I would say, on the top. This kind of material. Really cool touch, by the way. When it comes to design, big up, and I love these numbers here. I think this points somewhere to Utah. And the back with that soft material, that soft plastic, I don't know how you call that, but it's that soft stuff. These are the ear covers, really nice, plush, and firm just enough. Now on the bottom here is where you have your regular 3.5mm jack plug that you can plug them directly to an audio port. Here is where you have your USB-C. On the other side, you have your buttons, up and down, pause, play, or respond to phone calls. Yes, you can take phone calls. Here is your microphone. The microphone quality on these ones is just average for phone calls. It's the main point of these headphones is not the microphone. But here on the side is where you turn it on or off with this button by holding it. And this is one thing that other headphones don't have, the bass slider. It is literally a bass slider. It increases and decreases the bass, and how the bass works on these is literal vibrations to your skull. This is not a joke. Literal vibration. So when you put these on and you have music playing, you will feel it physically, not just in the tune itself. Physical vibration that you can touch with your hands. And how they did that, nope, it's not motors inside that some people might think. That is not the case. In this case, what they did is a very, very smart build of a subwoofer style speaker. So you have the 40mm drivers that you get your music that most headphones have. It's high quality on these, by the way, that too. But besides that 40mm regular driver, on the back right here, in both of them, there is an extra secondary driver. Now that driver is similar to one of these subwoofer drivers. As you see, this is a subwoofer driver. Now what's inside Skullcandy here, on the back side, on both of them, is now this magnet. Yes, there's literally an extra magnet right here. There's the first membrane or holder, whatever you want to call that. But the third now is not the soft membrane the subwoofers have. The third is a metallic spiral, literally a metallic spiral that goes all around. So now when it's driven from the frequencies here under, instead of driving this soft air, it drives metal to vibrate. So instead of getting air that sometimes in headphones, you get that almost like a vacuum effect. With these, you don't get the vacuum effect. You get literal shake, almost as if you were in front of speakers at a concert. If you know that you feel the vibration all over, yes, that's how you feel with these, because instead of this membrane now on the subwoofer speaker inside, there's a metallic piece of spiral metal that goes back and forth. That is absolutely a genius implementation of subwoofer technology. And to me personally, these are worth, just in that technology itself, more than anything else. because I haven't seen it implemented as perfect as on these, on any other headphones, which are sometimes way more expensive than these. For the price, these are extremely amazing. And I mean that. Especially if you're a bass head, that you like that bass, you like that feel, absolutely go for these and stop nowhere else. Go only for these, and I'm telling you right now, you will thank me later. Now, it's time to connect them to my phone and see what we can do, and I'll try to actually let them vibrate here on the table. Really quick. Okay, let me just turn them on. You'll see a light right here. Yep, and right now the power is on, and Crusher EVO is right here. And to put them in pairing mode again, for example, let's say you had them paired to something, as you saw here, to put them in pairing mode again, so it's not just searching for the last connection, you hold the middle button right here, and it goes back in pairing mode, and you scan on your phone or computer or laptop or whatever you have to find them again, and you can just connect them to any device that you have. Connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. Perfect, that's what we need. Now they are connected to this phone. Let me play some music from my own music, so it's not copyrighted. Okay, we have sound, and they are playing, but you may not hear it. But let me put the vibration. The music is besides the point that with these. Now let's say, now we'll go with a bass slider from here, and we'll increase it. And now let me put them here. Do you see the vibration? They're literally moving on their own. I'm not touching them. Let me make sure nothing is touching them. Not even the phone. And when the bass kicks in, you'll see them actually move. Isn't that interesting? They're moving on their own right now. I'm not touching them. Look, they're moving position because that's how good that vibration technology they implemented with the extra drivers is in them. And let me stop it now. You get the point that you will get pure bass and pure high audio quality in them without a single doubt or question. And me personally, I cannot go to another pair of headphones. I only use these. And no, I am not getting paid. These were not sent from Skullcandy, even though they can. But I bought them with my own money to show to all of you how good these actually are. And one more thing that they have, besides, of course, yes, they have quick charge technology, so it will not take you too long to charge them, and they can last up to 40 hours, which is even on the box, as you see right here, that we have the whole thing adjustable base, compatible with the app, and 40 hours battery. One thing they have is the tile right here, Find with Tile. So you can get the app, install it, and in case you forgot where you put your headphones, even though these are not small by any means, you can find them now with a tile in the app. Isn't that beautiful? And yes, this version here that you see, let me see if I can show you on camera. It's this one right here. So S6EVW. So, in my opinion, whether you're a musician or not, or a bass head or not, these are something that you cannot go wrong. Believe me when I say, and as I said, I bought them with my own money. This is not something sent to me or paid for. Believe me when I say that once you try these, you will never buy another different pair of headphones. And I'm talking compared even to the most expensive ones. These have exceeded, I'm not gonna give names, I compared them against two other brands, which are real mainstream brands. We're talking billionaire companies. These came on top, at least based on my own testing. And I'm talking about testing them on my own ears with different tracks, different music, and different frequencies. Absolutely blew me away. That is just what I see on them. And I 1,000,000% highly suggest you take a look at them. You will thank me later for these. They are actually that good. And especially if you're a musician or just a music lover in general, oh yeah, don't even waste time. Just get these. Just get them. Just get them. It's that easy. And with that said, please like and subscribe this video. Link will be in the description. Yes, the link will be affiliate, but I'm not affiliated with the company itself. They're designed, as I understand, in Utah here in US and made all over the world. Vietnam, China, I don't know. Just like Apple does it. You know, designed California, made in China. These are designed in Utah and made in, I think, either China or Vietnam, one of them. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked anything out of this video, and we will see you next time. Bye!